Hi everybody, it's Flip Flop Mountaineer and I have crossed state lines for you today once again. I am walking in Meeks Park here in Blairsville, Georgia, but I'm not stopping here. I want to take you 4,784 feet up. So I want you to stick around as we explore North Georgia. Well, here I am. I made it. I am hiking up to Brasstown Bald. It is the highest point in the state of Georgia, 4,784 feet up. So I'm gonna do this myself by walking, but you can take a shuttle. There is a small entrance fee of $8, but well worth it. I'll show you why. Stay tuned. As you can see, I made it to the top. This is my view. This is Brasstown Bald here in Blairsville, Georgia, 4,784 feet up. It's the highest point and it's got the most beautiful views. So if you can't make it here, you know I'll bring you here, but check it out. Well guys, we made the hike to the top of Brasstown Bald. So now it's all downhill from here. And you know, if you can't make it here, I'll take you there. So let's go explore some more. All right guys, I'm at the picnic area right here at Brasstown Bald, where that can be your view as you picnic and enjoy the North Georgia mountains here in Blairsville.